Everyone are searching a good broker for binary options, forex, cryptocurrencies, stock market. But how we know if it is a good broker for us? Just like a trader beginner, what I think about this, how to find a good broker for binary options if I totally beginner. On this video, I'm gonna share with you 5 things you need to know before to invest your money with the broker pocket options and maybe with binary options. I'm gonna explain with this broker, but I'm gonna make another videos about another brokers. 5 things you need to know before to make your first deposit or invest your money with these brokers. Let's roll with this video. Hey, good morning, guys. Today is Friday. I don't trade Fridays. So in this video, I'm gonna make this short review about 5 things you need to know before you invest your money with pocket options. Maybe this broker works for me, but maybe it's not the case for you. But with these 5 things, I think you're gonna have a better idea how works this broker if it is writable for you. Some of the issues that I see when and the moment that I start to using this broker is they don't accept credit or debit card. Here on my country, Latin America, don't accept debit or credit card. That is an issue for us. 5 years ago, only a few ones start to using Bitcoin. And right now, this is the method I use to make my first deposit. But if I try and right now to deposit with using my debit or credit card with this broker, I can't deposit using my debit or credit card. And that is an issue for us. Maybe if you are totally beginner, you don't know what is binary options, and you don't know how to create your wallet or buy Bitcoin, that is an issue. Maybe you need to see another videos how to create your own wallet, how to buy a few Bitcoins or buy a few dollars of Bitcoin and invest with forex cryptocurrencies. This broker have forex too. Okay, you can trade with forex. I don't recommend to trade forex with this broker. Exists another brokers with a better platform to invest with forex, but this is better for digital binary options, and I think this is the best market for this broker. So I think this is a huge issue for those trying to invest your or make your first deposit with your credit or debit card. This is a huge issue. And this lead me with the issue number two, the problem number two with this broker. And it is, and the moment you deposit using Bitcoin, the minimum deposit with this broker is $50. But if you want to request your withdrawal, the minimum to request your withdrawal is $150. You can see it in another video in the moment that I deposit with this broker and have a notice and says, well, you're going to deposit with using Bitcoin. The minimum deposit to request your withdrawal is going to be $150. This is new. Okay, this is new because a few months ago this message never comes. So this is totally new. I never deposited before because always leave in my wallet money, but I see this like a huge issue. And why? Because many of us sometimes only had $50. I don't know. For some reason, you make $90 on profits. Right now, if I want to request my withdrawal with this amount, there is a huge problem for me because I need to trade more and to increase my balance. Well, issue or not, because I can increase my balance, but I don't know, but if I have an emergency, I don't know, whatever, and I need my money, that is a huge issue. I can request my withdrawal only if I have $150. The methods they using to request my withdrawal we using Bitcoin is a good method because I don't know, taking 30 minutes to see reflected my money on my wallet of Bitcoin. Okay, I request my withdrawals using my wallet of Bitcoin. So you need to consider these 2 points before to make your first deposit with pocket option. And the number three is something that I don't like it with this broker, and is don't have alerts. Let's go to see this. For me, it's so important. This have alerts. The platform need to send me alerts at the moment the toucher, the SR, to know what is a good moment to enter. Why? Because when the moment we are trading, sometimes only have to do is sit here and wait and wait and wait. This is a huge issue because I don't send me alerts, but if I see in more currency pairs, how I gonna know if it touched the good SR that I'm waiting for a few minutes, a few hours? I think this is a problem and something that I don't like it with this broker. The moment that I need to receive alerts, I use in another brokers like a Quotex, Pocket, IQ option. I don't trade with IQ options, but the platform always send me alerts. You can use into Trading View. The Trading View sent a few alerts too. But for me, this is a huge issue too. Don't send me alerts, and I need to receive alerts in the moment that I trade with that someone. There are a few strategies actually, and I think this is an issue. And the number four issue or problem have these brokers. I can have a good windows. For example, I need to see this window. Like two windows, I think is the better view that can have with this. But if I want to see it more of two, don't show me well the market. Okay, I can see anything here. This is a problem. See it? I don't like it. I don't like it how it's see this. I don't understand sometimes how it looks this market. I prefer only watching one window because give me or share me a better view with IQ options. This is a good thing. I don't use it anymore IQ options because they send me my money using a screen scan me, and I never trade again with them. But with Trading View, I can have more windows. I don't like it how it looks this. If I want to trade with more windows, I don't show me a good view how I want to like it. If I have a downtrend or uptrend, this is a problem for me, and I don't like it. I prefer using another platform if I want to see it more charts, or you can have more monitors, more computers to see a different charts too. I'm gonna share with you another extra, I don't know, tip or experience with this. And I never have problems in the moment that I request my withdrawal. Okay, I using this broker for more than 5 years, and I never have any problem the moment that I request my withdrawal with this broker. This is something good because we are waiting or searching something like that. Brokers don't come with a lot of sheds in the moment we try to request or withdrawal. So for that reason, I think this is a good one. But the number five, this one was just my experience. The number five issue that I see is the chart support sometimes don't help us any at all. We are waiting for hours. I have a few issues a few years ago, and they taken hours to resolve my problem, and was because I deposit, I don't see reflected. I send the screenshots, I send the ticket on my bank because in that moment they accept Visa credit debit card, and I said everything, and I see my money almost 48 hours later. My money reflected, but that is a long time. This is my experience that I have with this broker, that I think and I consider it. You need to know before to make your first deposit with Pocket Option. And I hope this video can help you if you want to know how works this broker. This broker is worldwide and accept brokers and traders in US too. So that is a good notice, but it's not 100% regulated broker. You need to know that before to make your first deposit. So I hope this video like it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, activate the notification bell, and see you in the next wave.